Enchantingly bizarre. Impressive and magical. The dragonfly is an extraordinary species. They are symbols of courage, strength, and happiness in Japan, but seen as sinister in European folklore. Gorging until selfishly bloated. This caterpillar will feed until it is literally about to pop. Many animals feed on caterpillars as they are rich in protein. As a result, caterpillars have evolved various means of defense. The appearance of a caterpillar can often repel a predator. Its markings and certain body parts can make it seem poisonous, or bigger in size and thus threatening, or non-edible. Some types of caterpillars are indeed poisonous or distasteful, and their bright coloring warns predators of this. Others may mimic dangerous caterpillars or other animals while not being dangerous themselves. Many caterpillars are cryptically colored and resemble the plants on which they feed. Some caterpillars obtain protection by associating themselves with ants. The lycaenid butterflies are particularly well known for this. They communicate with their ant protectors by vibrations as well as chemical means and typically provide food rewards. A carnivore, mantids dine primarily on insects like flies, crickets, moths, grasshoppers, and mosquitoes. Winters are especially harsh on some animals, most of the time proving fatal. But there are a select few who flourish, reaching a numbingly -50. In some areas, some animals have adapted to the extreme conditions. Although, danger comes in more ways than one. When it comes to the snow, being buried alive is a real hazard. Foxes must break the surface for every meal. For others it is a chance of the draw.